So, hello everybody. Today we're gonna be playing free admin. Oh my gosh. Yeah, free admin. But let's not do that. Oh, this one's good. This one's good. Don't press the emergency button. That is a good one. Oh, what's what?
And you will know when you get there. It's called a road.
Who are you? What is that? Oh, what's that? What's that? What is that? Oh, that thing has numbers on it. Hey, look at that thing. No, that other thing. Yo, what's wrong with your legs? Where are we going? Are you coming back? Oh, hey, you're the lady from the test. Hi. What's that noise? Is...
Oh, it's growing up on the stuff.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's
Rain talk. Out on the streets. We're gonna end it here and make part 2. Just have to go eat my breakfast.